Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural shampoo. First, let's explore why natural options are so beneficial for your hair and scalp. We'll cover the core ingredients you'll need, such as liquid castile soap and distilled water, and then guide you through the simple steps to combine them. You'll also discover how easy it is to tailor your shampoo to suit your unique hair type, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleanse every time. Now let's get into the core ingredients. You'll want to start with about 1/4 cup of liquid castile soap, which is a gentle, plant-based cleanser. Next, add 1 cup of distilled water to dilute it properly. For extra moisture, especially if you have dry hair, consider incorporating 1 teaspoon of a light carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil. Gently stir these together until well combined, creating your basic shampoo base. To truly personalize your shampoo, consider adding beneficial ingredients. For a lovely scent and therapeutic properties, include 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils, such as lavender or tea tree. If you need extra soothing for your scalp, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel works wonders. You can also infuse herbs like rosemary or nettle into your distilled water for added hair health benefits. Mix these additions thoroughly. Proper storage is key for your homemade shampoo. Keep it in a clean, airtight bottle, ideally in the refrigerator where it will last for 1 to 2 weeks. Always give the bottle a good shake before each use to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. When washing, apply a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, to wet hair, lather gently and rinse thoroughly. Enjoy your fresh, natural cleanse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.